Okay, so that's the final result. I hope you like it. For me, this looks very nice. It's very powerful, very strong. Hi everyone, today I'm going to install that hitch on my 2003 Toyota Corolla. The brand of that hitch is Kurt and the part number is 29174. That hitch it's work too for all the Toyota Corolla from 2003 to 2017. I want to install that hitch for that trailer what I bought from Harbor Freight. It cost me $450, and also that hitch is coming with 4 bolts. It's very easy process. It's not take longer than more than 10 minutes. So let's do it. Okay, so you need the toothbrush and W40 lubricant to clear the holes. A wrench on 19 millimeter. It's a 19 millimeter or 3x4. Also, you need a torque wrench to tighten the bolts up to 86 pounds. Okay, now that's the driver side. So we have to clear that holes using W40 and the toothbrush. Okay, and that's the passenger side. Okay. Very important thing when you place that washer, be careful to put with the tooth side up, not down. Okay, I asked my wife to put the one screw inside. Now please get it.
Yes.
Yeah, that's enough. Okay. And come on the other side. Oh, I think I'm good now. I can do it by myself. Okay, thank you. Now, let's put the other screw. And let's do it on the, so that's the driver side. Let's do it on the passenger side. First bolt is inside. Let's put the second one. So again, be careful to put that teeth up. Okay, and now the hitch is on position and we have to tie up that screw. Okay, here. Let's go on passenger side. That's it. I didn't bought yet the ball mount, and it was a good decision because if you see here, the trailer is too high for the hitch, and I have to buy a ball mount to be raised at least, I don't know, 8-inch or 9-inch, you know, for a good alignment. Okay, so I bought from Harbor Freight that adapter from 1 and 1/4 to 2-inch. I bought that ball mount. Normal, I think, supposed to mount like that, but I'm gonna install like that, and I'm gonna put the ball here up. Okay, let's see how it's work. Okay, let's put first time the adapter. The pin for the adapter. Okay. Now let's put the ball mount. Something like that. Okay. Yeah. Now the ball, 2-inch ball. And that's it. What do you think? Is strong enough?
Yeah, looks like it.
Let's check. Can you? Thank you. Yeah, perfect. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, so that's the final result. I hope you like it. For me, it looks very nice. It's very powerful, very strong. So yeah, and in the next video I'll show you how to wire the lights for the trailer. So if you like that setup, give me a like and subscribe, and see you next time. And also I have a video on my channel where I'm showing you how to assemble that trailer from Harbor Freight. Okay, have a nice day.